5% nation of Marlboro, the 5% nation of pay-per-view, the 5% nation of nipple plants, the 5% nation of Milton Bradley, the 5% nation of Casio Tone, the 5% nation of Casio Tone. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100. Down. She cracked down. Now they call me Mr. Villainous. She snapped, yeah. Now they call me Mr. Villainous. She gone. With a handful of water, trucks and circling, getting down from the ladder. If I could stay here with a rattle press and I'll exit to the world and the phone and guess it keep on. Shut up. It was a phone so now, like an iPod, like a square butt, like a funny car, or like a monster truck. Call up popping on burning stomach, cocoa papa top smoking coming, but on top I hit the shocker dial. Call up popping on burning stomach, cocoa papa top smoking coming, but on top I hit the shocker dial. And ever since then I got disseminated. And ever since then I got disseminated. And ever since then I got disseminated. Well, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. The truth of the moon I got disseminated. The truth of the moon I got disseminated. Well, I wouldn't slip on the East River and crash into Queens all skittering. I've seen the cops and the robbers, and I know they dance the same well. I've seen a half a zillion girls and I've spoken to a single one of them. And it's clear and clean as sugar-free Jack. Schools and bombs and bombs. Schools and bombs and bombs. Schools and bombs and bombs. And a coma with a ray. use words like that. St. Louis isn't listening. And well, I dream that she aims to be the bloom upon my misery. I dream that she aims to be the bloom upon my misery. I dream that she aims to be the bloom upon my misery. She rock my style, and leaves the rest. She rocks my style, and leaves the rest. She rocks my style, and leaves the rest. She rocks my style, my style. Boom, give it up. Signal got lost through the satellite, got lost in the right up to the plunge down. Then sends the ray of the electric light, sends the impulse through the air down to home. And you can stand on the arms of the Waynesburg Bridge crying, hey man, well this is Babylon. And you can fire it on a bus, the outside world, down to Louisiana, you can take her with you. I've seen the reins of the real world slink forward on the plane. I've seen the Kansas of your sweet little myth. You've never seen it, no, I'm half sick on the drinks you mix through your true dreams of Wichita. True dreams of Wichita. Looking like a scene, the asphalt dogs push out dead air from a parking garage where you stand with the keys and your cool hat of silence, where you grip for love like a driver's license. I seen you fire up the gas in the engine valve. I seen your hand turn saintly on the radio dial. I seen the airwaves pull your eyes towards heaven. Outside the beak on in the phone lines, your good teeth smile was winding down. Engine sputter goes out of gasoline fumes. They say you had it but you sold it. You didn't want to know, I'm half drunk on double. You transmit through your true dreams of Wichita. True dreams of Wichita. Punch it, I gotta say, I got too much things on thoughts in my head. I gotta burn them up, I gotta burn them up, and now I got to go uptown, uptown. I gotta sing, I got a little bit push, gotta stand on the corner and blow for mush. I gotta I got a baby bomb, gotta stand on the corner and bellow for my friends. I gotta think, I got to think it, I gotta think. Team, I gotta run my side, true dream. True dream. True dream. Cause I get the wrist, you get the ankles, and I get the wrist. You get the ankles, and I get the wrist. You come down the list, you get the ankles, and I get the wrist. You get the ankles, and I get the wrist. You get the ankles, and I get the wrist. in the presence. Polyester burns from my jacket. Rub the skin thin. Break down in a diner. Then I pay the bill. Well, you get the ankles and I'll get the wrist. You get the ankles and I'll get the wrist. You get the ankles and I'll get the wrist. You come down to this side. Get onto the bus that's gonna take you back to the Alpha. Get onto the bus that's gonna make you stop going rough and down. Get onto the bus that's gonna take you back to the Alpha. Get onto the bus that's gonna make you stop going rough and down. Your words burn the air like the names of candy bars. Your mouth is cold and red on a razor and a glass. And it's a grind, it's a grind, it's a grind, grind. It's a grind, grind, it's a grind, it's a grind, grind. It's a grind, grind, it's a grind, it's a grind, grind. It's a grind, grind, it's a get onto the bus that's gonna take you back to the Alpha. Wait a second, Eva. Exits to freeways twisted like knots on the finger. Jewels cleaving skin between breasts. Your Cadillac breathes 400 horses over blue lines. You are going to Reseda to make love to a model from Ohio whose real name you don't know. You spin like the Cadillac was overturning down a cliff on television. And the radio is on, and the radio man is speaking, and the radio man says women were a curse. So men built Paramount Studio, and then built Columbia Studio, and then built Los Angeles. It is 5 a.m. and you are listening to Los Angeles. It is 5 a.m. and you are listening to Los Angeles. And the radio man says it is a beautiful night out there. And the radio man says rock and roll lives. And the radio man says it is a beautiful night out there in Los Angeles. You live in Los Angeles and you are going to Reseda. We are all in some way or another going to Reseda someday to die. And the radio man laughs because the radio man fucks a model too. I'm going to Los Angeles to build a screenplay about lovers who murder each other. I'm going to Los Angeles to see my own name on a screen 5 feet long and luminous. As the radio man says, it is 5 a.m. and the sun has charred the other side of the world and come back to us and painted the smoke over our heads an imperial violet. It is 5 a.m. and you are listening to Los Angeles. It is 5 a.m. and you are listening to Los Angeles. You are listening. 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 To that fashion must cut clean. You gotta take the elevator to the mezzanine trunk. Change in the song, super bomb bomb, super bomb bomb, super bomb bomb. To that fashion must cut clean. You gotta take the elevator to the mezzanine trunk. Change in the song, super bomb bomb, super bomb bomb, super bomb bomb. Move up and let the man go. Let the man go. Move up and let the man go. Let the man go through. Move up inside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move up inside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move up inside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move up inside and let the man go through.